Okay. We could have like a little Q&A sesh. And also like updates about the cars and also events and travel. So I got my coffee at 6:30 p.m. on a Wednesday. We got about 6 hours until New Year's. So there's that. I love my coffee, by the way. It's raining cats and dogs outside, so I can't drive my Integra. I wanted to test it out, and then it didn't work out. The weather's just crap. I think it's gonna rain for like the next week or so. Anyways, this Sunday we are going to Tokyo Auto Salon, me and my photographer. So, you know, it's that time of year again where I'm doing Japan content for the next 3 weeks. So I'm trying to cram all the content creation stuff and installs for the Integra while I'm here. I only got a few more days. I still gotta pack camera equipment, my clothes, and then little gifts for my friends in Japan. So a lot to do, not a lot of time. And if you guys remember, I was just in Melbourne for my birthday, then came back Christmas and all this stuff, and now I gotta pack and ready to go to Japan for Tokyo Auto Salon. Then I come back for 2 weeks and I go back to Japan again for Osaka Auto Messe. So it's gonna be wild. And after Osaka Auto Messe, I'm going to China the following month. Yeah, pretty hectic. I don't know, people ask me why I don't drive all my cars. It's because I'm either traveling, working, or I'm working on the car, right? You gotta pick one, because my time is very finite. Then I also started, you know, doing more gym stuff, right? So OMG Builds is OMG Builds himself. I'm pretty sure you guys notice I'm not fat anymore, not as fat as I used to be. I'm still fat, but not as fat as before. All right. So lots of time spent doing, you know, workouts and stuff. So cramming in time to work on the car, plus doing my freelance video production, plus my career, my day job, and sprinkling in time for family and friends. It's tight. It's really tight. So if you guys are curious why I don't drive my cars, it's because of that. But anyways, the Integra is looking good. We did the front lip is brand new from Crow House, and then the side fenders are also from Crow House. Obviously, I haven't done the videos on the install yet because I just literally released the clip today. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting this tomorrow. That means in the next few days, I will be releasing the install videos. And here's like a quick look into how I do media production for my channel. I have, let me pull it up right now. I have roughly, I know you guys can't see all this, 15 TikToks ready to go and queued up on my phone. So when I'm gone, when I travel, I could post them as I go, and I post twice a day. So 15, that's 7 days, right? So I cover my butt. So sometimes you guys are like, wait a minute, isn't he traveling? How is he posting these things that he's working on the car? It's because I do them before I travel. So if I'm traveling for a month, I'm creating like 23 TikToks or 24 or whatever, plus what I'm creating when I'm wherever I'm at. So for this series, we're doing like the installs for the new body kit, the process on how to fit it, and wrapping and all that stuff. That's gonna be really cool. But I don't film my content day of because it just doesn't make sense. So if you guys are trying to create content and you want to be successful on social, you have to create your content ahead of time, unless you really like creating content real time, which is like a headache. I hate doing it because then you're just rushing the whole time, right? So yeah, there's that. Just a quick little update. I spent like an hour inside here fitting these harness reel things. I'm sure I'm gonna be releasing the video about it, but the harness, they have like a, you know, the slack, there's a reel that you can add. I'm not sure if you can see it. No, you can't. But yeah, I had to do all that. Oh, and I forgot my hammer in here, so probably not a good idea. Go to the canyons and I got a hammer. Last time I went to the canyons, I had a wrench rolling around in here, and I thought that I broke something outside the car. I pulled over and I was like, there's a wrench in here. So yeah, I don't think I forgot anything else. But yeah, just quick update. That's I know I haven't done a lot of content lately, especially for the Integra, the Miata, or the AZ1, but because I've just been traveling, plus it's the holidays, right? So I didn't want to spend time sitting in the garage while it's like holiday season with family. So yeah, stay tuned for the all the Tokyo Auto Salon stuff though. It's gonna be dope. This is my 15th year going to Tokyo Auto Salon, as much as I've been going to SEMA. And I would say Tokyo Auto Salon is better than SEMA because you see all the cool JDM stuff. SEMA's nice too. I mean, I like SEMA, but it's different when you're in Japan and the culture and the cars, and you know, you grow up watching all these JDM videos and you're actually there to check out the cars. So, and that's the time that I actually walk around and look for new mods for my Integra that you can't find here. Because I'm sure you guys know I buy a lot of stuff from Japan, I ship it over, and then, you know, I do videos about them. They're not sponsored or anything, it's just my own money. But yeah, it's cool to go to Tokyo Auto Salon because you get to see all the cool JDM parts and meet the builders and the company owners and all that stuff, right? So yeah, 15th year going to Tokyo Auto Salon, and it'll be my first year actually going to Osaka Auto Messe because it's smaller. Everyone says that Osaka Auto Messe is boring. I guess we'll find out. But Tokyo Auto Salon, if you guys have never been, one of those bucket list items if you're a car guy. So you got to go to SEMA, Tokyo Auto Salon, and I would say Goodwood and Alltrace, and you'd be set. Pikes Peak if you like racing, and obviously like IMSA stuff or F1. But yeah, excited to go to Tokyo Auto Salon. I got a few days, I got to pack up, and hopefully we don't drink too much in Japan because I want to get fat again. I come back and be fat and had to cut everything and work out to make up for my fatness in Japan. All right, see you guys.